Hi guys, I am back with a flip through. This is our flip and fold journal. I used a tutorial by Janie, the craft princess. And the kit that I'm using is an Artymaze. It's My Sweet Rose. So the size of the finished journal is 5 by 7. It's got a 1/2 inch spine here. And I've got a seam binding closure. I've done it vertically this way, just looped through. And I've used one of the journal cards here on some book page with a little bit of lace trim. I've got some words bloom and grow here. This is one of the background pages from the kit. Got some lace trim. This opens this way, and you'll see I have a pocket here with some lace trim. Inside this pocket I've got some it's a journal card, and I've got some writing paper, lined writing paper. I've got an envelope with a journal card inside, and I've got a small tag with just some cotton. Actually, that's like a chenille thread. So then if we slide this over a little bit, you can see that on this side I have the same thing. There's a pocket. I've got the journal card, the writing paper, an envelope with the journal card inside, and the small tag. On this middle section here, I've got a journal card here. It's the same one that I've used for the pocket with some lace trim. I've got a large tag here and some ephemera from the kit, just a receipt, and then a smaller tag with the chenille as well. All right, and so then we will open this one left. And I have the same pocket here with the miscellaneous piece of ephemera. I've got the journal card, a larger tag, and a smaller tag here. So you can see this one will open. On the right side we have a flip out, and I've got a tuck spot here. In the tuck spot I have a couple of journal cards. Let's see, there's 3 journal cards. I've got some more writing paper, and I've got just a little booklet that has more writing space in there. I have the same thing on this side, flips out with a tuck, and I've got 3 journal cards. Those are all from the collection. I've got some writing paper here. This one's the coffee stained paper, and a little booklet, just a writing booklet. This is not attached. You can take them out and use them separately however you'd like. Okay, and then in the very center, I don't know where my center is, but I think I'm about there. These flaps will open, and I have a big pocket here, and in this pocket I have a booklet that I've made out of a double envelope. I've just tied some cotton thread around there and added some coffee dyed paper for some more writing space. That gets tucked inside here, and I've got a large tag here and 2 more small tags, and that pretty much fills up this flip and fold journal. Very fast, very easy, and I hope you'll give it a try. The closure is very very simple. Just fold it in half and wrap it underneath. It's easier when you're not on the this tablecloth. Just put the loose ends through that end and pull it, and then tie the bow. Easier said than done. There we go. Like so. And you can put that bow wherever you'd like it. Move it over to the side, slide it down to the middle. You can have it horizontally or vertically. And I've left it long enough for it to be adjusted as you add more items to the book. So there you go. That's our Flip and Fold journal with the papers from the My Sweet Rose kit by Artymaze. Thanks for watching.